A little closer to the house.
Don't blow your hand off.
Lots of trees where you're at.
So what you been doing?
No, but we have to be like
I've been working
Brooklyn
Diner.
I'm gonna show up.
It's a good diner. Sometimes. I guess not when you work there. Not when you work.
You see what I'm saying?
Maybe you're on time.
Hurry up, man! I gotta poop. Here comes the boy.
And you can just you can run long ways
good to go?
towards the house.
Hold on.
You said yes on multiple
Go,
counts.
AJ, finish.
I believe it's occasionally. Well, can we have a vote? Wait, one second. We need one reading of the decree. At first, you have to look at it.
Hold on.
Notice but you don't read it.
That was doing.
Come on, Scott, go.
AJ, are we gonna do this? In a second.
No decree. Let's go.
I gotta poop.
It's an emergency.
Seriously.
I'm just saying, as soon as this goes off, the party's probably gonna be shut down.
You're not getting arrested
Probably
tonight.
It's gonna be shut down. Oh God.
Here we go.
Make sure, AJ, you have 5 seconds. Tell me not to do this.
Godspeed, you Black Emperor.
Oh, Scott. What? It's probably not a good idea.
Fucking boo-boo.
Get away from this.
I'll be fine.
Direction are they?
Oh God, you're so loud, right?
Yeah, do you up?
So loud.
Oh shit! Did you ask, AJ? AJ, didn't you ask? I'm just covering. I'm covering
All
our
the
ass.
embers are out. It's the ground.
It's all right. It isn't on fire.
I don't want that. Listen, you're not allowed to have fireworks in Delmore.
First time.
Did anyone not see this coming?
What?
Did anyone not see this coming?
Did anyone not see what?
This coming?
Still singing bubbles. Like nothing wrong. Bubbles.
Hey, it's all right. It's not all that. It's against the law in the state of New Jersey, asshole. Yes.
Alright, let's clean the mess up.
Let's clean up.
I'm so glad I got that on video.